What's up, E-Class?
What's up, guys? Here we have a connection of a changeover switch, and I want to quickly explain everything that we have here. So right now you can see that everything is on, and I decided to use 24 hours timer for the system. So as you can see, that's a 24-hour timer, and I decided not to use the three-phase power so that we can see everything clear. So if you're seeing the indicator, we have over there the main electricity, we have the generator indicator, and we have the house. You understand? That's the main breaker that's going to the house inside, is distributing the light to the house. So I'll turn off everything quickly, remove the cable one and show you everything that's going on. So as you can see, I off the system, and here I have the how would you call it? This is the main power that's coming, and I gave one to the selector switch that's going for the that's coming here. That's the blue cable that's coming here for the electricity. The main electricity right here. So the other one is coming out from here, that is going to this place for the generator. So here we have it. Here we have the neutral, the neutral for the system. So it's not out, as you can see, it's not out here. It's not out here. So here, if the breaker is on, we only have the generator that's going up to this contactor. And here I give this main power to the timer, so that the timer can always have power. The main power that's coming, if it's generator, if it's normal electricity power, everything that is supposed to come to the timer is supposed to be on every time, so that you can change the system very quickly. So here we have the electricity, how do you call it, the house indicator, and it's that's more like I have the output of the contactor, the output, and I give a neutral here, and I have the output here, one for the electricity, and the other one is for the generator. Thank you. So these ones, you can see the power are coming here from here. That's the main generator and the main electricity that is coming. So the main electricity is coming here, and the main generator is coming here. So this is the cable that's connected here. That the cables are two here. Okay, so that's it. And here we have power to the A1 for the contactor. That's for the electricity. That's for the electricity, and it is normally closed. And the other one is normally, how do you call it? I'm sorry, that's normally open though. Yes, and the other one is normally closed. So that's how it is. So if you on it directly, you see that one is going to go on straight, and if you change the timer, you will see that the other one will come on. So let's just test it and see how it's working. So that's it. So you can see that I have all the power on, and if I turn off, this is the generator this is the main DC that is off, right? This is the main generator that's off, and here you will not get power here. So let me test it for you guys. As you can see here, I have power because of the electricity that's going here. The electricity have power, and here you don't have power because the generator is off. So the generator doesn't have power here, but the ECG electricity has power. So you have power here. The ECG has power here, and because of the house breaker, the other one is going to come for the output though, and this is the output. So anything you want, that you can just use this output for everything, because if the power is not going back to this system, whenever power comes, this system inside is going to change to this one. This place is not going to get anything, so there's no cool circuit or anything. So that's it. We have the connection and we have everything. Do this thing. So that's all for today. I thank you guys for watching, and if you learned something, please hit the like button. Try to comment, comment whatever that you have there on your mind. Let me know if you have any difficulty with your how do these connections and other things. And for subscribe to the channel. I'll see you for the next.